Welcome to this new topic where we will discuss the vaccination, where in India only 40% children are fully immunized as per the NSO report, and as per the MHA it is around 80%. So there is a contradiction between both the reports. Let us see what is it. So in this lecture we will see what is fully immunization, what is immunization, what is partial immunization and all. Okay. So what is the context? What is the news? So Health in India report has been published by the National Statistical Organization, and it is based on the 75th round of the national sample survey that was happened in July 2017 to June 2018 on household that social consumption related to health. So it was the data that was that sample was survey that was collected from July 2017 to 2018. Now the report has been published as in Health in India. Okay, now we will see immunization. What do you understand by immunization? So during COVID situation, I think most of the people know what do you understand by vaccination. Okay, and through that vaccination the term will become as immunization. So immunization is a process where a person is made resistant to a disease by administration of the vaccine. So it is like if there is a body, so it is something like a virus will be injected into the body, that let us suppose coronavirus. So it must be like your body, that your immune system should be aware of the coronavirus. So next time when the coronavirus will hit on your body, so your immune system will know that this virus is there, and he learned that how to tackle with this virus. So due to this, so next time when it will attack, then your immune system will attack on that coronavirus. So in right now that coronavirus will come at your attack on the lungs, and it fills in the sacs and all, then pus will be there. So as the pus will collected in your lungs, so the oxygen flow within the heart will be blocked, as the blocks present in the lungs have been filled up by the pus. So due to that pus, the oxygen supplied into the heart will be less, and thus similarly your body parts will eventually start damaging. Okay, so this is how that virus attack. So immunization is a process where a person is made resistant to a disease by administration of the vaccine, and we can kill the bacteria or a virus or make it weak so much that it can't harm the person or cannot cause the disease in the living beings. Okay, that is called immunization, that your body should be immune, that should be protective, that shield will be there that will protect your body from that particular bacteria or a virus. Okay, so body will create immunity in the white blood cells and kill it. So these antibodies will be created in the body, and now like my antibody is trained to fight with that bacteria and virus. So what will happen when the next time that virus will hit our body, it will fight with it. So vaccine can also be synthetic substance which can also be manufactured in lab, like something called protein X. So let us suppose there is X something protein X. So it is not like that vaccine can only be organic. So it can be manufactured in a lab with some synthetic substance like protein and all. Okay, through biochemical process and bioinformatics and all. Okay, so through this your vaccine can be prepared. So this is something called immunization, making your body immune from that virus or bacteria from the future attack, making it train it will make your body trained to fight with that bacteria and the viruses. Okay, so now the concept comes, that is what is fully immunization. So fully immunization is a term that when a child is born, okay, we start to give a certain immunity doses, that is some vaccines are given to them. What doses is given for immunization? That we give many vaccines, such as like around 8 vaccines are given for a children within 1 year of birth. Okay, so what are those vaccines? That is hepatitis B vaccine, DPT. So DPT includes your diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. Then rotavirus, that is your diarrhea. Then hemophilus influenza type B. Then pneumococcal conjugate. Then poliovirus. Then influenza. Then MMR, that is measles, mumps, and rubella. So these 8 vaccines are given regarding these all viruses and disease. Okay, so it is recommended by the government that give that 8 vaccines within 1 year, and if that child is given that all 8 vaccines within 1 year, we call it as a fully immunized child. Okay, so that is after these 8 vaccines given to the child will be called as fully immunization. That child has been fully immunized. Okay, after that again 12 months some vaccines are given, like varicella, hepatitis A, human papilloma virus, then meningococcal, then Japanese encephalitis. So Japanese encephalitis had same situation, like same situation and damage like a coronavirus at the time. So this is something called full immunization, giving that 8 vaccines within a 1 year of a birth. If a child is getting that all 8 vaccines within 1 year, then it will be called as fully immunized. Okay, now we will see the data that how many children are fully immunized in India as per the NSO data. Only 15.9% are fully immunized, that is 60% are fully immunized, and rest 40% are not. It means that 40% that child have get at least 1 vaccine. It is not like that child has received 7 vaccines and missed 1 vaccine. No, it includes that a child either will have received only 1 vaccine out of 8 or 7 vaccine out of 8. Okay, so see the situation, how critical this situation is, that out of all the years, all the child, we have 40% child which are not fully immunized. Okay, now we can compare it with the intensified missions of Indradhanush. Like mission Indradhanush was launched in 2014, and then again Indradhanush version 2.0 was launched in 2019, and this survey was concluded from 2017 and 18 data. Now this report has been released. So it says that it will be achieving that, as per Indradhanush 2.0, that it will be achieving 90% pan India immunization coverage by 2022. But the contradiction happened that as per the Center's Health Management Information System portal, which says that 86.7% children are fully immunized, but as per the NSO surveys, it is saying something else, that around 60% of child are fully immunized, but the health system management information says that 86.7% children are fully immunized. So there is a contradiction, that it is saying that 86.7% and this is saying that only 60%. It is also not 60%, less than 60%. Okay, now among the states, if we see that state wise, then Manipur has 75%, Andhra Pradesh has 73.6% fully immunized, Mizoram have 73.4%, recorded highest rates of fully immunization. So I am giving the population wise. So just don't see as a population like Manipur has less population than Andhra Pradesh, then Mizoram has less population than that state, than Bihar and all. Just see the data, like we have a data where 75% of the people of the child present in that state is fully immunized. So all other spectrum, that Nagaland, if we see Nagaland, only 12% of the children received all vaccination, followed by Puducherry, that is 34%, Tripura 39.6%, and just ignore the reason, like population difference, like it may happen like for that state A the population is very less, so this percentage has been increased to 75%, and the population of other state of Andhra Pradesh or Bihar is too much, so the percentage is decreased. But the reality is this one, the percentage, the data is giving the reality that how much child are fully immunized, and overall only 60%, even not less than 60% are fully immunized. So I hope you understand this lecture, I hope you understand this whole topic. Please like and subscribe. This will further motivate me in making such videos. And if you have any on-demand videos or any suggestions for me, please ping me on my Twitter handle. This is given in my description. Again, I will request to subscribe it, as it is a payment for me. By just subscribing it, I am demanding nothing more and nothing less, and I will be happy to help you for any videos or any lectures issues. Thank you.